In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the door catch in your dryer. So to remove the door catch, we're going to open our door, and the catch will be mounted on either the left or the right hand side of the door. On some doors, you'll actually find two catches. That door is reversible in the way it swings from one side to the other. This particular machine, you can take the catch out and move it over to the other side if you were reversing the door. But in either case, if you need to remove that catch, you're just going to need a small blade screwdriver just to pop that cover off. With the cover off, you can actually see the catch itself, and to release it, you're just going to take, again, that small blade screwdriver, apply a little bit of pressure. Now, some of these catches may be a little bit smaller, same type of affair, and you may actually have to take the door off and just take a couple of screws out to separate it so that you can squeeze it to get that out. But most of them will pop out with a screwdriver. And that's how you remove the catch.